All right, guys, so we're here today with my 2024 GMC Sierra AT4 HD. Put about 2,000 miles on this truck, and in that time I've noticed that even though I love the look of these black wheels, they are impossible to keep clean. Every bit of dirt, water spots, just brake pad residue, just dust all over it. And so I found this Chemical Guys Hydrospin ceramic coating, so we're going to put this to the test today. It's a very easy product to put on. It's just spray on, rub it in with a clean microfiber cloth, and then let it dry for about 2 minutes, and then buff off with another clean microfiber towel. So I'm about to go on a 500-mile round trip, give or take. And the end of that, I'll be staying down a dirt road, so it'll be a good test to see how well this repels dust from the dirt road and brake dust on the way there. So I'll follow up with a review of how this worked, but we'll see how it does. All right, and as you can see, pretty much dries clear. You just have to buff it off with a dry microfiber towel, and it shined up really well. It's almost a mirror-like finish, and it's just a spray-on product. So like I said, we will follow up at the end of this trip and let you know how everything looks, but I have high hopes for it. All right, so we just got back from about a 500-mile trip and probably 10 to 15 trips up and down a gravel road, and as you can see, this ceramic coating has worked great in my opinion. I mean, it's a little bit of dust on there. You just can't make it out, but I'm gonna see if just spraying it with a water hose will wash that off. So let's see what that'll do. It beads up pretty well. Yeah, I'm really satisfied with it. As far as brake dust and as much dust as there should be on this compared to what I'm thinking the rest of the truck is looking like, I'd highly recommend the Chemical Guys ceramic wheel coating. I got it for about $25 on Amazon. I've seen it at some other parts stores and all for a little bit more, but it doesn't take much, and in my opinion, it works great.